Harbor Freight dollar days are here starting actually today, October 3rd through October 9th. We're just going to go through them real fast. So dollar days, here we go. We have the Pittsburgh, and I'll zoom in here so you guys can get a good look at the coupons. Pittsburgh socket rail, your choice, lifetime warranty. These are super convenient, of course. They have them available in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. They're normally $1.50, but now they're $1. I've seen the U.S. General ones of these. I think they're a little bit more expensive, but I mean for $1 for organization, I think it works. I have some Cobalt ones that I bought a long time ago, some Cobalt sockets, and at least 2 or 3 of the socket holders have broken off. So I probably should go get $1 one of these. 1-inch roller ball bearing was $2. Now $1. What these could be used for? I'm sure plenty of uses. Super glue, $1.99, now $1. Don't know how good the Harbor Freight super glue is. I feel like super glue is already pretty inexpensive. $1 seems like the right price. So interesting. Gordon utility knife, $2, 33% off. We have the high strength super glue 10 piece. This is for $2. So this seems like a little bit better of a deal because you're getting 10 of these. Was $3.80, so almost 50% off. Funnels are always huge if you're doing your own oil changes or doing something similar. $2 for a $4 funnel, about 50% off. Storehouse heat shrink tubing assortment with case, 120 pieces, $2, 50% off. Then we have the Chicago Electric 1/2 inch by 7 foot projective wire wrap, $2, 42% off. We have the Warrior wire wheel cut brush set, 6 pieces, come in handy, $3, 50% off, or $6. Pittsburgh 6-inch quick release bar clamp, $3, only 15% off. Doesn't seem like as great of a deal. Merlin 1/4 inch steel industrial coupler, your choice of either female or male, $3, 18% off, so you save about 70 cents. We have the Hardy nitrile dipped water resistant gloves, $3. They were $4, so 24% off, available in large and extra large. We have the Bauer 5-inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding discs, 5-pack, $4, 33% off. Next to that, the Vanguard 2-foot triple tap 3-outlet extension cord, $4, was $5, so about 20% off. We have the Franklin 40-inch by 50-inch moving blanket, $4, 19% off. Blowgun with safety tip, Merlin and rubber tip, $4, 19% off. Then we keep going, less dollar days as we get further down the list. 10-inch pneumatic tire with black hub, $6, 33% off. Hardy goat skin leather riding work gloves, $7, 29% off. The Merlin Air blowgun with extensions, 5-piece, $7, 22% off. And then we have the Warrior security bit set with case, 100 pieces, 20% off for $8. We have the Pittsburgh pliers set, 6-piece, $9. About 40% off. Oh, that one seems pretty decent for a good set of different pliers. Maybe I'd look that one up on Hazard Freight. What is it called? Pittsburgh pliers. Let's just look up pliers. Let's see if this is really a deal. Where's the 6-piece? Oh, wait. I'm making the same mistake that I always make. Go under all tools. Pliers 6-piece. I think this is it. Yeah, Pittsburgh. Okay, so pliers 6-piece. So lowest that it's ever been is $9, which is all right. That's accurate. It's normally at $15, which looks like it has kind of pitter-pattered up and down to be there. And it looks like at one point it came out back in 2021. It was $13, gone up and down. There's been coupons multiple times throughout the years. But normally it only goes down to $10, and actually it's down to $9. And this is the lowest price it's ever been. So all right, Pittsburgh. All right, Harbor Freight. you got confirmed with the best deal here. $9 for those Pittsburgh Pliers set 6-piece. We have the 12-ounce Smart Straw Lubricant, WD-40, $9. Dollar Days Vanguard 25-foot by, is that 14/3 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord? All right. $9, 35% off. Hall Master 833-pound capacity, 2-inch by 20-foot ratcheting tie down, $9, 35% off. And those are the Dollar Day coupons. Let's look at some limited time coupons since we're here. We can look this up. We have the Icon 2100 Lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight. It's saying it's 27% off, but let's find out. Let's find out. Can't be that many 2100 lumen things. Sure enough. All right. So it looks like when it originally came out in September or in August of 2023, so over a year ago, there was a coupon that came out with it. It's $35. Looks like the price has never changed since its original price of $55. But it does look like it's been about $40 before, and its most recent price at $40. So good deal. Not the best deal that it's ever been at, but still, Icon, good deal if you want to get it not at full price. Predator 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder, perfect for Halloween. It's the Thing of Nightmares, $80 off. Crisp new fall coupons. This is from September 30th through Sunday, October 13th. So this is going on also. We got some deals on the McGraw air compressors, Fortress air compressor, and some deals on the Daytona. I know there was a coupon on the Daytona recently, but of course these sales are going on. Anything that catches my eye, I would go through them, but no, don't want to go through all of them. But just know there are some good deals. Oh, this one's always interesting. So the Quinn Master Technicians tool set, 428-piece. Let's look up the price history on that just to see if it's actually a decent deal. So let's see. Master Technicians. Master Technician. There it is. So it looks like the lowest price this Master Technicians 428-piece has been at is $299. In-store regular price is $399 currently. Of course, that's gone up recently. It was down to $299 back in November and November of 2023. So about a year ago. Hasn't changed price since it went back up to $399. Unfortunately, wait a second. Yeah, it has been cheaper with coupons at $299 before. These coupons are out right now, $329, but it's not the cheapest it's been. So, I mean, if you're patient, you'll probably can get this Quinn's Master Set at a bit of a cheaper price. And yeah, let's keep looking at a few of these just to check them out. Some cool tools. But I think I will leave it at that. Maybe power tools. Dollar Days going on right now. Harbor Freight, October 3rd through October 9th. Anything for $1 is always great. So happy shopping. Good luck finding some deals, and as soon as I find some more, I'll send them your way. Thanks.